Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Aubrey Mudiba, Mamelodi Sundowns, i-left back bafethu. What a hard worker. Umfethu usebenza kanzima, strong njalo. And I listened to him when he spoke. He was like, Hugo Brosi is nothing is guaranteed. Kumele aphana kubafana bafana njalo. Kumele perform to the highest level in order to be noticed by Hugo Bros. Even nasetimini yakho understand ukuthi kumele asebenze kanzima to maintain the position. Obviously, he's one of the players mombheka umfana uyabona ukuthi okay, he's one of the first pick makuyiwa laphana kubafana bafana because of i-work rate yakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bathanda i-work rate yakhe more than anything. Talent elikhona, but without i-work rate bafethu, i-talent means nothing. So Aubrey Mudiba, level of excellence and what he gives to the game and uMamelodi Sundowns contribution yakho kuya phambili when they attack, comfortable on the ball, combining well with ama-players weMamelodi Sundowns, ama-midfielders, even nama-wingers. Masibheka ama-players afana nabo ubani uMatthews, yes, ucombine kahle kakhulu nabo. It's one of the standout players bafethu ku-PSL. I-work rate yakhe ne-distance yakhe uma ubukela igame yakhe every game ukuthi ukhava ama-kilometers angakanani. Obviously kalekho iplayer elinganawo disadvantages. I think ku-left back kuMamelodi Sundowns la aba-exposed khona ukumaka, but-ke ngaphandle kokumaka bafethu, I mean, what a player, what a player. And we have to always remember when you talk about Aubrey Mudiba ukuthi lo muntu akusi-left back, akusi i-left back bafethu. But he was converted to i-left back. Guess what? He didn't complain. Wakwazi uku-adapta kuleya position kahle. Unawo ama-moments wakhe la esibona ukuthi okay anga-improve kwamanye ama-department, but-ke ukumaka is not his strong point, but-ke ezinye izinto uyakwazi ukuthi okay njengoba angamaki that powerfully, but uyakwazi uku-adda igame yakhe ukuyi-improve kwamanye ama-department, ukwenza ngcono kwamanye ama-department, or some aspects of igame yakhe inhle kakhulu enye aspects of igame yakhe. So that is why we overlook ezinye izinto noma ngekho strong. I mean, alikho i-complete player, yabo, alikho ngempela i-complete player, but i-speed sakhe, what it gives iMamelodi Sundowns lebafana bafana. Ngimzwile laphana ekhuluma esho ukuthi njalo is not guaranteed ukuthi uzoselectwa for iBafana Bafana, kumele asebenze kanzima. Even nasejimini kumele asebenze kanzima laphana ku-Hugo Bros ukuthi akwazi ukulwela ispace sakhe. It's not easy. It was never gonna be easy, especially mabasayina uBasadien for yena kuMamelodi Sundowns. I was like, it's the end-ke manje for Aubrey Mudiba, but no, he made sure ukuthi usebenza ×2 kanzima ukuthi aziprove laphana ku-coach eMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi-ke angaba yi-preferred choice laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. OBasadien badla ama-ice laphana ebhenchini, but for me uBasadien, I would say he was the best left back in the country for me up until obviously afika kuMamelodi Sundowns, i-competition kwaba tough ngempela. So uAubrey Mudiba uyadeserve ukuthi aqale ama-game, adlala ama-game ahead of oBasadien. That's how you do things-ke emathimini. When you introduce someone new, uqale ebhenchini, and then kumele asebenze kanzima ejimini ukuthi akhiphe labantu laba abadlalayo. Lucky enough, or unfortunately, I would say lucky enough for Aubrey Mudiba. Aubrey Mudiba motivated by ama-signings oBasadien laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, wampusha ukuthi a-elevate igame yakhe, udlala kahle kakhulu. I think it works for iMamelodi Sundowns because of iMamelodi Sundowns isikhathi esiningi ya-dominate i-play, and then Aubrey Mudiba uyakwazi ukudlala kahle kakhulu bafethu aperforme for iMamelodi Sundowns. Well, I would always go back to lento yakhe yokumaka, but-ke I mean masibheka igame yakhe yonke siyikhava yonke, ngibona ukuthi umdlalo serious ngempela for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuya phambili, because they always dominate the play. Why would they don't? There's no need ukuthi badefende kakhulu. That is why Aubrey Mudiba abaluleke ngempela for iMamelodi Sundowns. I-player eline-flair going forward, nalawo ma-assist akhona, sometimes kunokushaya amagoli, unayo i-good shooting range from a distance, uquick meya laphana ku-transition for iMamelodi Sundowns. So umdlali obaluleke kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. Is he going to the World Cup? I think he's highly motivated ukuthi haye ku-World Cup bafethu. I think for me is probably one of the first picks ukuthi aye ku-World Cup, as long angathintekanga, ingekho into emdisturbayo. I think maningi ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns are highly motivated bafethu ukuthi to make it to the squad laphana ku-World Cup because of they just came back from i-World Cup, i-Club World Cup lapha ne-America. They're going back again. Oteboho Mokoena baningi abadlali ekumele bayamisele serious ukuthi uHugo abanothise laphana kumamelodi Sundowns because imamelodi Sundowns obvious ama-player akhona mawubheka kusiwe u-Aubrey Modiba kuphela khona uTeboho Mokoena. Mawubheka uTeboho Mokoena is an obvious pick for imamelodi for iBafana Bafana bafowethu. Like siyazi ukuthi uyaya ku-World Cup namaphi ama-player-ke amanye aya ku-World Cup masibheka laphana kumamelodi Sundowns obviously captain uRonwen Williams naye ukhona. But-ke masibheka isquad semamelodi Sundowns Grant Kekana was preferred laphana kuBafana Bafana, but since then he was dropped from the squad kuBafana Bafana. But kumamelodi Sundowns ubuya, he was out for some time. I think uke wathinteka ngendaba ye-injury. I don't know what was happening, but yeah, he was out for some time. Wakwazi ukubuya laphana ku-injury, but-ke siyazi ukuthi okhoza badlale kahle kakhulu uGrant Kekana mengekho laphana emuva, and i-partnership kaKhoza noCupido kubonakala ngathi kuzoba yiyo for imamelodi Sundowns going forward because baperforma kahle kakhulu. Amanye ama-partnership laphana ku-back four kumamelodi Sundowns, they were not that bad, but they were not that good either in terms of like ama-mistake, bebawenza ama-mistake. But-ke the biggest worry kumamelodi Sundowns nayi bafowethu, even uKhoza wenza iphutha khona le goli labalishayile, was it Richards Bay umhango laphana aba-flat footed angakwazi like ukukhipha ibhola wa-relax and then the ball was taken away from him easily dispossessed, which is not, you cannot be caught flat-footed as a defender. Your team is gonna be punished. But uKhoza noCupido badlala kahle kakhulu bafowethu, let's be honest. When the Mamelodi Sundowns defense was looking a bit shaky under Grant Kekana, I mean, going back to i-final CAF Champions League, umayele ukuthi ukore kanjani, uGrant Kekana failed to clear the ball, walishaya-ke umayela wathola opportunity washaya ibhola. So I mean, yiyo lawo moments lawo ababulalayo ukuthi i-defense yabo inoxega at some point. I think they're not used to defending, number one. They're used to having the ball. Banama defenders are more ball players than ama defenders, to be fair. Uthola ukuthi umuntu he developed to be a good defender, but kumamelodi Sundowns is getting used to ukudlala ibhola than with baba attack. Lawo moments lawo kuma-transition when they catch them and then they are exposed as ama defenders. But yeah, they have a team egudi. Do they have a good coach? That's the big question. I'm not saying it's a problem, but that's a huge question. I don't think they have a good coach. But ama players bafowethu are good. Individual brilliance. I mean, you look at ama midfielders wakhona, or you look at Allende, Teboho Mokoena, ibalance ka-Oba sayilethayo, and then you look at abo Risinho. Sambone kancane uRisinho, but we saw equality nanokuthi bamdevelophe kahle yena noNuno Santos, what a player. Then you look at laphana phambili strikers zabo, you look at someone like uReynas, the flexibility that he brings to the team, the dynamic, because we strike speed as assist foot is comfortable on the ball, was good holder. So as a team, as a collective, they have a good team. We are good right back, Ibano. For me, the best player in the country, bafowethu. Ngekho umuntu esikubholela South Africa ongama noModiba athi lona second noModiba ongama no who's this guy? Why ngimkhohle right back bafowethu, Khuliso Mudau ongama naye athi better than uMudau. Ayakekho, hayi ngiyala. Ayakekho ongama ebholeni lase-South Africa pound to pound athi I am better than uKhuliso Mudau. Angekhe. That guy into makuyeyakhe yakho. That is why every chance I get ngikhuluma ngayo uKhuliso Mudau. What a player, what a superstar. With ease, akatatazeli. Abanye mabatatazela yena kupholiwe, experience nje, ukushaya nge-experience isikhathi esiningi. I remember there were moments vele, I think that is why igame yakho kumele i-evolve, i-develop to the highest level. I remember bethi uMudau uzoluza ibhola kangakanani because he would lose ibhola kalula nje, but yeah, igame yakhe i-advance, ama-distance awakhavayo, yo, what a superstar, what a talent. And then bano-goalkeeper uWilliams, Williams unama-moments wakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns. I think uyakwazi ukuyi-protect iMamelodi Sundowns. I mean, he's a world-class goalkeeper, but udinga i-competition. I mean, le nto yokuthi angabi ne-competition iyambulala cause kunamabhola lawa wabona ukuthi limshaye kanjani le bhola lelo Williams ngempela. But at the same time, usave amabhola amaningi kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns, to be fair. But-ke i-standard sakhe, ibhala lakhe so high ukuthi akumelanga a-concede noma ashawe amanye amabhola esingawaboni kahle. But-ke u-good goalkeeper, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. He's one of the best goalkeepers on the... In fact, he's the best goalkeeper e-Africa. He is the best goalkeeper e-Africa. Cause uma ubheka i-continental pedigree yakhe nakuBafana Bafana ukuthi wenzani, udlala kahle kakhulu. I mean, he's undisputed number one for a national team nayo local ne-team yakhe. But iminyaka yakhe lokhu iyahamba bafowethu. Will be interesting to see ukuthi uzodlala kuMamelodi. Like, how long will he maintain the peak? Because since the introduction yakhe kuSuperSport United, I mean, he played almost every game kuSuperSport United since introduction yakhe. There was a time la vimba isizini yonke ubone ukuthi hayibo madoda lo muntu. Consistency yakhe over the years and learning from the best, one of the best goalkeepers in history of South African football, if not the best goalkeeper, which is Itumeleng Khune. I mean, wakwazi ukufunda and then elevate igame yakhe. Yeah, but yeah, talent elikhona kuMamelodi Sundowns, but more than talent, the hard work. I think behind closed doors, they work really hard. That is why kusayinwa ama-player afike kuMamelodi Sundowns but afeyile abe yi-flop angakwazi ukuba yi-success because of the work rate that they have to put in when they get to Mamelodi Sundowns. I think at times, sometimes ama-players like our understand ukuthi it's not just ukudlala nje ukufika ukuthi ufikile. No, you have to work, you have to put in the work to be recognized, to be seen, to be heard, to be respected. You can't just get into the team and udlale wena based on ukuthi ubuya kuphi nanokuthi kule team lo ubuya kuyo wenzeni. If you don't earn a space sakho kuMamelodi Sundowns, then I mean, there's nothing really you can do. You have to fight. You have to give everything that you have. Every time you're given an opportunity to play, you gotta give everything. So amanye player ayasayina ne-team afika abe lazy umuntu mefika. Kanti-ke once you are given an opportunity, when you are given an opportunity to perform, to play at this highest level, kuma-big teams, you have to give everything that you have. For unfortunately, abanye abadlali abakuboni lokho, bacabanga ukuthi nje kuyadlalwa. I mean, the level of iMamelodi Sundowns, what they've given in terms of them elevating the players to the next level with what they want to achieve. Bona as a team, they keep, elevating the players to perform to the highest level. Yes, baney'nkinga zabo ukuthi bangawini ama-cup competitions, but I think we can respect them ukuthi abasabi ukusho in public ukuthi they're going for every cup available. They're gonna fight for everything on offer. But-ke njengoba ngibengishilo ukuthi you can fight, you can plan, but-ke if you don't have a good technical team, the team won't go anywhere, to be honest. You gotta have a good technical team. Do they have that? I don't think they have under Mikel Cardoso. I think bakhona abantu abangenza kangcono kuNo-Mikel Cardoso, to be honest. But at the moment they prefer him. They think he's the best man for the job. But if they think that way, then who are we to oppose that thing? Because they gave him umsebenzi and they believe ukuthi is the man who is the right man for the job. Simfisela inhlanhla thina uMikel Cardoso, ayikho into etheni esizoyisho. Simfisela inhlanhla ukuthi enze izinto zenzeke bafowethu. The most important thing is to deliver for iMamelodi Sundowns. And so far izinto azihambe kahle. But when you have a backing of management, or taking management or sporting director, nama-resources ekhona, what's your excuse of not delivering? There's no excuse. So kumele akwazi ukudeliver uMikel Cardoso ne-super team investment kuMamelodi Sundowns, world class investment. salaries and or ama-bonuses and everything, kumele akwazi ukudeliver for i-Sundowns. They're hungry for success, they're hungry for things. Abanye I think ngizovala ngalaba-ke bafowethu, ama-young stars akhona laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. Now I expected ukuthi to take their game to the highest level or to elevate their game. Bakhona bafana there's a boy uMukwena, ubani, Bernard Mukwena, yes, Bernard Mukwena, new introduction yema-Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't know if I don't know how he will elevate his game, but I'm hoping ukuthi umfana uzokwazi ukukhuphula igame yakhe, because i-competition i-tight, tough kakhulu, kunaboshalulile laphana phambili. Kunama-player afana who is this player, oMuthiba, nabo balwela indawo laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi baziprove. But yeah, umfana mncane, i-pedigree yokuthi akora, I mean, he has an eye for goal. He must keep learning from ama-senior players laphana ku-Sundowns, or afana nabo bo-Peter Shalile, and be humble. I-opportunity yakho uzoyithola, ukuthi uzoyithola nina sazi. But-ke khona la bamnika khona lawo ma-opportunities ambalwa. Kancane kancane umfana uzofika to the highest level, because ugood yena, to be fair, ugood bafowethu, very very good for i-Mamelodi Sundowns. Obviously igame yakhe isadevelopa, mncane umfana, isadevelope, will get better and great isikhathi mesiloku siqhubeka bafowethu. Khona na who is this guy, umfana omncane laphana, uHumulimo lo, Kekana, udlala midfielder, una everything bafowethu oyidingayo ku-midfielder. I mean, une-height, una every composure yakhe, i-shooting range, everything. And then kunabafana abafana nabo uSibiya, Thato Sibiya laphana ku-left back. I don't think uzothola i-opportunity yokuthi adlale at the moment, but yeah, yeah man, it's a good balance ku-squad se-Mamelodi Sundowns, ukuthi babe naso i-mix of i-mix of ama-senior players nama-young players abasazo-introduce-wa laphana. So we'll see ukuthi isizini yabo izohamba kanjani, nanokuthi bazoba-introduce kanjani abanye abafana laphana, because bakhona abafana, ama-young stars. But siyawabona ama-young stars isikhathi esiningi badlala laphana ku-DDC team. They don't have to rush them ukuthi baba-introduce to the professional game or ku-Betway Premiership, because i-pressure is serious laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. They are expected to deliver immediately. So abafana uthola ukuthi mentally they're not there yet. They have to be more like calculative how they introduce them to this beautiful game. It's not gonna be easy, njengoba bengishilo, because maningi ama-big names kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, they're fighting nabo ukuthi bathole i-game time. At the same time, the youngsters are coming through. I-Mamelodi Sundowns in recent years iyaba-introduce abafana, but ukuba-introduce abafana abayitholi lo game time kakhulu, to be honest. But-ke siya-understand because of bane-squad depth and then bane-experience. Imagine this, uBasadeni uqeda ukujoyina i-Mamelodi Sundowns, right? And then uThato Sibiya from i-DDC team yama-Mamelodi Sundowns bamnike i-contract, nayo udlala i-left back. Then imagine-ke if uModiba kadlali bafake uThato Sibiya, lokho kuzothini? Kuzomenzani uBasadeni as a senior player elingakatholi that much of i-game time, ukuthi ba-prefere uSibiya if let's say if uModiba akekho available or ulunga. So you just have to balance isquad sakho mesisikhulu, and then ubhalance nje lapho nalapho, make sure ukuthi you make everyone happy. That's like the saddest thing bafowethu, ukuthi when you're at the big team, you have to make sure ukuthi everyone is okay. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.